So what's up people, how's it going, how you doing? My name is Alex, and yeah, all the time I'm saying the default things, but I don't know, let me know in the comments, offer some greetings. Maybe you might use your imagination and your creativity, and the beginning of the videos are gonna be a bit more interesting. But it's not about the beginning of the video, it's about the whole video itself. It's about how informative and how helpful, I'm out of my breath, and how helpful it's gonna be. So I believe all of my videos are really very much helpful, and they are providing you with some essential and necessary information. What the hell was that? Some little girl just screamed. Okay, that's totally fine. I believe she's all right. So yeah, I am having the Telegram VIP group that you should be joining. The link is gonna be in the below. Oh my god, I messed it up. The link is gonna be below in the description. So go there, click on it, tap on it. I don't know what device you're using for watching the videos, but go there, and I believe you're gonna like it. Just go and check it out. That's it. Leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go. I don't think I will be. I don't think I want to spend that much time during the video talking about the indicators. However, here we go. We are going with our first bet. We are going for a long, just a pattern thing right here. We are having the hammer pattern. Vortex is kind of pushing and showing the possible be a bullish. We kind of went for long, but I don't know what the hell is going on. Here's a hammer pattern, even if it's red, but like, what the hell is going on? I believe everything is gonna be all right, honestly. There we go, $192 right there. Okay, we're at £3 in the United States dollars right now. Even though we have 77% of the profit, I mean, I want to give it a shot. Okay, going all in and going for long, guys. Currently, what I expect that we're gonna be breaking above the Bollinger Smith line, and we do have the fresh bullish impulse after accumulation. So vortex lines converging. It means we should be going for long. Here we go, $339 in the balance. Let's see what we're going to be doing next, and hopefully we're going to be having some another currency pair, but I'm not definitely going for the Great British Pounds and the Australian dollars, because they have 69% of profit surface bidding in, which is not appealing at all. As I said, we got a minor pullback here. Going, let's do with 300, right? Just 300. Okay, we're going for short right now. As I mentioned earlier, guys, we are having minor pullback right now, and at the same time, in the meantime, I would say, like, what the hell? So as I mentioned, guys, we are having minor pullback, but prior strong downtrend dominates. Vortex confirms short, and just, we just going for it. Don't treat me. Thank you. The marker goes like, I would never do that, but he has done it a couple of times, like. Let's move to Australian and Japanese yen. I'm gonna go with 450. Alright, let's go for short. You can see that, guys, we do have a strong resistance at Bollinger Smith line, and we failed to break and consolidate above that. So I assume we're gonna be having rejection downward. Good. So $864 right now. I'm gonna break the chains. Okay, I don't like the euro and American and United States dollars, not American dollars. Yeah, we can call it American dollars as well. Let me go with 650. I'm going for long. You can see that the decline is kind of slowing. Vortex line is converging, and I expect net growth like toward the local high at 10.033081. Here we go, for $1,248. Let me add something new because I don't really like what we have here. Oh, yeah, I believe this is what I want to go with. Australian and New Zealand dollars. 700, guys. Wow, 700. And we were just briefly going short. Here, guys, you can see that we anticipated further Bollinger Bands breakdown. And we do have the weak Australian dollar buyer and oscillator support short. So why wouldn't we go short? Talking about the Telegram, guys, even though we have 41 seconds left, but you know, I mean, if you have ever been in that group, you know the value of it. You know how important and how helpful that group is with all the strategies, with all the patterns. We will literally give you everything just to be successful in trading. And if you're not just willing to use this opportunity, because there be very few things in this life that can be given for free, and you know that. And most of the times it's a scam. I know that, guys. Unfortunately, this is how it works. But let me just finish. I mean, we win this already, right? So we already got that trade. So we got $2,271 for $100. Yeah, most of the times they are lying, scamming, and everything. But you are entering for free and getting out for free if you don't like it. You're using everything, I mean, your account, your balance, whatever you want. I'm just giving you sharing the information with you, and that's it. So go for it. If you don't like it, all right, just let me know how I can improve it. So you want to stay with us? Thank you for watching. The link is going to be in the description below. Do not forget to leave a like and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Peace.